Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest hacks you can roll out into your funnel or on your website to help you to get higher quality leads. And it's leveraging one of the most underutilized but most powerful pages in your funnel. And it is your thank you page. So think of the journey someone's just gone on, right? They've probably had multiple touch points with your brand, your business, before they've decided to finally take this action. Now, this video is going to be relevant no matter if you're e-commerce or lead gen, but we mainly work with B2B lead gen, so I might skew to that a little bit. But effectively, they've just taken an action. And after they take this action, they can start to experience a couple of different emotions. One of those might be excitement, awesome. But one of those also might be regret, post-purchase dissonance, or worried about what's going to happen next. In any case, friction can arise after somebody has submitted the form and become a lead or sale. So our thank you page is an asset we can leverage to eliminate negative emotions, build trust, and continue to nurture the relationship with this lead or customer. And today I'm going to show you my exact wireframe and walk you through it. So let's get into it. On the screen now, you'll see this is the exact template that we use for our client. And so we're not reinventing the wheel every time, right? Now, each client is going to be a little bit different on the specifics, but the overarching wireframe is basically the same. So this is a very lo-fi wireframe that I did myself. Okay, so the first thing on our page is that we should congratulate and future pace them. Now, a hot tip, never say thank you. And why shouldn't you say thank you on a thank you page? It seems a little bit counterintuitive, but that's because in the buyer psychology, human psychology, sales psychology, whatever you want to call it, you're actually shifting the frame. So if you're saying thank you to them, it sounds like they've just taken an action to help you. But if you've positioned your messaging and your marketing correctly, they should have felt like they just took an action that's going to help them to get into their dream outcome. So the first thing that we do above the fold is congratulate and future pace. And how do we do that? You can literally just say, congratulations, you are one step closer to that big dream outcome, keeping it congruent with the big promise that you offered to get them to take the action. Then in your subhead, you can talk a little bit more about what's going to happen next, right? So you want to remove that friction. So you might ask your customer support, what are all the questions that you get? What are people wondering? What are they asking? What are they not sure about? Just tell them on this page. Make it really, really clear for them. So effectively, just tell them what will happen next and eliminate that confusion. Now, my favorite thing or the best thing to do on a thank you page is to get them to do something else. Because the best time to ask for another action is when they've just taken one with your business or company. So these should align with your business goals and where you are in the funnel, right? So potentially, if you've just got them to opt in to a lead magnet, you might encourage them to interact or follow you on other social media because they might unsubscribe from your email. So you want to try and nab them cross traffic, cross channel. Or you might need to just actually functionally get them to take another action. Maybe there's a quiz or a form they can fill in to help the sales call be more productive, to make it more personalized to them. And instead of asking all of those form fields up on the initial form, you can actually ask them now. Or what you might do is you might have a free gift here, right? How can you wow them and get super excited? Is there a way that you can make this free gift tool to indoctrinate them and to get them excited? So could you give them a free training? But really, it's just to educate them and move them further along and prime them before the sales call. Or you could also give a video of how to use your product. So you just want to think about the strategy behind your page and what some of the friction or what are some of the ways that you can, one, persuade and create a higher quality lead, or two, create a product that is more sticky and reduce refunds in the future. Thinking about that and injecting it onto this page. And then we can have a section that helps to persuade them and build our authority. And it might even be tied to an action item. So you might say, step 3, watch these testimonials and see how our clients have gone from X to Y. So you want to build authority, build a relationship, wow them by giving them something else, remove the friction, think about your business goals and objectives and how you can really leverage this page. They're going to be the most hyper engaged. They just did something for you. They're in the action of doing something. You've just snapped them out of inertia. Now we've got momentum. What is the best next thing for them to do? And that, my friend, is the thank you page. So to recap, it is congratulate and future pace, tell them the next steps, get them to take another action, and then persuade them, indoctrinate them, and get them to ingest, digest more of your social proof so that you can persuade and have high quality leads and sales. I hope you enjoyed today's video. As the kids say, like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you do have a landing page or a website or a funnel and you'd like some feedback on it from me personally about how you can take it to the next level and convert more of your traffic into high quality leads and customers, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, team, I look forward to seeing you on the next video.